Welcome to the Withing Go Tracker installation. Please open the package and remove the Go, the wristband, and clip from the package. Then go to either the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play if you have an Android and search for the HealthMate app. Download the app. The link can also be found at withing.com website. Please have your email and password ready to register to the Withing account. Allow the HealthMate app to connect with the tracker. If no message is shown on your screen, open your Bluetooth on your phone under Settings and connect your tracker with your phone. Another option is to click on Devices, click on Trackers, and choose Go. Once the tracker is detected by your phone, click to wake up your Go. You will see on your screen Looking for your Go, which will turn to Preparing your device and Updating your Go. After your Go is updated and restarted, you need to personalize it. Choose how you will wear your Go, on your wrist, or in a clip or in a pocket. Choose the style of your script. Now the setup is complete. At this time, you should already be registered with Withings, using the email address and password provided via email. Click on Profile and scroll down. Under My Goals, click on Steps to set daily steps goals by dragging the bubble up and down. Please set your daily goal to 5,000 steps. Open the HealthMate app. You'll be able to see your steps on the dashboard, and when you click on Steps, you can view your activity. To verify if your Go is connected, click on Devices and it will show your tracker. Press Profile and click on Settings, then Edit Profile to enter the first name and last name provided to you via email. Remember to type in your actual date of birth, gender, and height. Still under Settings, click on Unit and set the units in the imperial system. Weight in pounds, height in feet, and so on. Still under Settings, click on Emails and Notifications and only toggle on the last square on the bottom that says Weigh-in Notification. Click on the X to exit Settings and return to Profile. Under Profile, scroll down to view your goals. Some tips before you go. If you have trouble with your tracker connecting to your phone, check your Bluetooth to see if it is connected. If you have any questions or have any trouble with your installation, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or phone. Thank you so much for watching our video.